Hello, welcome to Artha Life. Myself Sudarshan. I'm a certified prosthetist and orthotist working in Artha Life. Today I'm going to explain you about ankle foot orthosis AFO. So before going to explain about the AFO, bit information about what is AFO and who need AFO. I'm going to explain about the AFO for the children's. AFO need basically those children suffered by cerebral palsy, spina bifida, muscular dystrophy, and CTB, and any ankle and foot deformities. So there are different type of AFO we do have options. One options I am going to show you the polypropylene AFO, means plastic AFO. Plastic AFO is the conventional AFO which we are currently using. Plastic AFO is coming on the pilite one, sometimes the soft padding and the double wall. Because of the plastic AFO, you can see the plastic is completely closed one for the children. Children using basically for the long time the AFO. So because of the closeness, the sweat is coming inside. The patients, means the child feel discomfort using the longer time the AFO. And that's what the parents also feeling discomfort because the child feel discomfort. And if you see the double, because of the double wall AFO, it is going to be bit bulkier. For that, parents need searching for a bigger shoe to use for their children's, for the school as well as for the normal activities. And because of the strap, foot, double wall, this is bit bulkier. If I going to compare with the other AFO, this is going to be bulkier and bit heavy weight. This A4 is coming with a double wall, means the inside one is flexible, outside is the PP one, and because of this double wall also, this A4 is similar, is going to be a bit bulkier and bigger. So this A4 also need a bigger size of shoe for parents to search. Now I am going to tell you about a wonderful A4. This is the 3D printed A4 which Artha Life is going to introduce first time in Malaysia. This is imported from Czech Republic. The 3D printed A4 is like basically is very light in weight. This is the lightest A4 and the very thinnest A4. You can see the very thinnest A4. What are the difference between the 3D printed A4 and the conventional A4? This is most lightest, most thinnest A4. If you see the A4 backside, there are holes. Holes means this helps the ventilation. So child feel more comfort because there is no sweating using the longer time. And if you go for the back side, there is an anti-skitting marking here. That means there will be no slippage of the A4. Now coming to the straps. The straps does not have any bulkier buckle here, bulkier buckle. That's why this is more slimmer for the parents to get the shoe, the normal shoe. Then majority children using the A4, the straps marking with the screen is creating the redness here. So in this A4, you can see there is a very flexible padding here, which feels like a silicone padding, act like a silicone skin here. So when child use a longer time, there is no direct contact or direct pressure on the skin. So the child feel more comfortable with this A4. And most things is when the child is go for any A4 first time, the child feel the A4 is bulkier and sometimes the color looks different, white and all, they don't adapt it. In this A4 will come in the different color, let's say black color, pink color, blue color, so child can adapt easily. Now I am going to show the function of this foot. This foot, this is a custom made A4. You can see the foot, the patient feel more comfortable during walking because of this flexibility. This flexibility we do custom made as per the patient's need, patient's body weight and the muscles tightness. And this A4 is made by the 3D printing, and in this A4 we are going to do a 3D scanning of a patient's A4. We do designing in the computer software. That means if a patient need a particular angle in the ankle, 85 degree, 90 degree, 95 degree or 70 degree, that we can correct exactly in this A4 design. Well, this is a computerized design A4. So I welcome you to all. You please do visit our Artha Life clinic for a more information about the 3D printing A4 and have a experience. Thank you so much.